Next in CSS, we are going to do scale property, which comes under 2D transformation. The scale property is used to change the size of element. So this is our basic HTML code, and here within body section, I'm creating paragraph P and assigning class 1 to it. After this, I'm creating one more paragraph P and class for it is 2. Then this is our third paragraph. Here we are assigning class 3 to it, and this is our last paragraph, and class for it is 4. So now we have to create these classes, class 1, 2, 3 and 4. For that, in head section we have to give style tag, and within this style tag, this is our first class, class 1. Here I'm giving border to 1 pixel solid black, width to 200 pixel, height to 200 pixel, background color we are taking is aqua, and here we are getting float to left. Save it and go live. So this is our first box. Now we are going to create class 2 dot to class. Again we have to give border. You just copy it from class 1. Here we are giving box shadow, 5 pixel horizontal shadow, 5 pixel vertical shadow, 5 pixel blur effect, and here we have to give color. Similarly, we will be creating class 3. And one more class we need to create, class 4. Save it and go live. So these are the 4 boxes, 4 classes we have created here. This outcome of those 4 classes is these boxes. Now we need to give space in between them. So here I'm giving space, margin left to 130 pixel. Same thing will copy in class 3 and 4. So now they will be margin in between these boxes. Now we have to use scale property. For class 1 we are not going to do anything. With class 2 here we'll be giving scale property. So it comes under 2D transformation. So here we'll be writing transform, and here scale, and in within bracket I'm giving 2 and 2, bracket close, semicolon. Now what it is going to do with box 2, it's going to increase the length of element twice of its original length, and width of the element with twice of its original width. Means we can say that width and height of element are going to increase twice. So second box will have, you can see that its width and height are increased. Now we want that with this third box, we want to decrease the size of elements to half of its original width or height. So here with class 3, we are giving transform, scale, and here I'm giving 0.5, and second number for it is again 0.5. This is going to decrease the size of whatever is the size, it is going to decrease to its half. Save it. So box number 3 will be, this is our box 3. Now with box 4, we don't want to do anything with its height. We want to increase or decrease its width only. So for that, here in class 4, transform, scale. If we want to change its width, then we have to use X. And here I'm giving 2. That means whatever is the width, it is going to increase its width twice of that original width. So save it, and right now we can see that its width has increased. If we don't want to increase its width, if we want to increase its height, then instead of X, here we have to give Y. So it is not going to increase its width twice, it is going to increase its height twice of its original height. Save it, and go live. So we can see that its height has been increased. So this was CSS transformation, 2D transformation scale property.